So this is the too long didn't read version of setting up the post scheduler. So first things first, clone the repository to your machine, npm install the dependencies, then duplicate the config.prod.example.json file and remove example. And then you need to basically plug in your values into config.prod.json, your GitHub webhook secret, which can be any string that you want, and a GitHub API token. To make an API token, go into your account settings, click on personal access tokens, generate a new token, give it repo access and repo admin repo hook access here. And once you have your API key, go ahead and plug that back into the config file, and then also put in your GitHub username and change this to your repository. So the owner of the repository and the repository name. Once you have done that, then inside of the current working directory, you can type in serverless deploy, and it will go ahead and provision the functions, give you back your API endpoint. So my post endpoint here to plug into GitHub for the webhook to work is this guy right here. So if I go into my blog and go into settings, what we have here is the webhooks. I want to click on add new webhook. Once you've added a new webhook, you basically paste in that post URL into the payload URL, change it to application.json, put in your webhook secret. The secret is any string that you want. This is for security purposes, so no one else can trigger your function. It could be ha ha ha, doesn't matter. Then click on let me select individual events. The only two events that you need to listen to for the service are the issue comment and the pull request. And then go ahead and activate and update your webhook. Then basically all you need to do is test it out to make sure that it works. The way that it works is by commenting on a given branch pull request with the schedule syntax: month, day, year, and then the time of day. So I'm going to schedule this for 11 p.m. West Coast time. Comment. And if it responds back with the success, you have everything set up correctly. If not, there's something incorrectly set up. Please watch the longer setup video that I have in this playlist, and it will walk you through that. Additionally, you can debug your service by typing in SLS logs-f for the function name, and we'll just go ahead and log out the GitHub webhook, and then we'll tail the log. And what you can do is then trigger comments and what have you in console.log things and see what errors you might be getting in a service. Similarly, you can do that with the other function as well, which is the public. What is it called? Publish schedule cron. And I can log out that stuff as well to see any issues that might be happening, and I can edit the actual code. But yeah, that is setting up in a nutshell. If you do want to delete a post as well, you can click on the X on the scheduled post, and it should give you a message back that it has been unscheduled. And that is it. Hope you enjoy.